Hello guys, this is Roy from Arena Mini 4-Wheel Drive Club, Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada. And for this video, I would like to show you how to remove the roller bearing without the tools. Okay, so here we're gonna using all this stuff to remove the bearing. Alright, so let's start with the video. Let's go. Okay, so here we're gonna remove the bearing and by using this contour gear, and how to use it. So how you should do is just using a screws and then put through the rollers and put into the contour gear. And I believe when I'm doing up to here, then people might already know what's gonna happen. Yes, but here we still have to finish this. Okay, so just put it like that and put screwdrivers and to hold it, and then alright, so you can see the bearings already here. So here we just need to take this off and push and bearing out. Alright, very simple, very easy. Okay, so let's see what's the next step, how to install the bearing. Alright, let's go. Okay, so you can see here I have a popsicle, or even though you have the front plate, rear plate, brake plate, whatever, as long as it's a plate, and then it has enough service, then you'll be able to hold the rollers, and that will works. Okay, so what we're gonna do is gonna put the screws, and then we put the rollers, and then we put the bearings. And also I believe up to here, then you already know what I'm doing right now. So but still, we still have to finish the video. So here just gonna put the regular nuts. Okay, so place the roller at the right position. Okay, then we start tightening it. Okay, okay, so you can see here the bearing has been installed. Okay, so this is today's quick video about how to remove it and install it without the tools. Okay, so if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share this video. Okay, and if you have any question, please leave your question and comment at the bottom. I will reply to you as soon as possible. Alright, thank you. Don't forget to press the bell so if I have the new video